This is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to send an email using Gmail on your phone. So we can just swipe up and we can just type in Gmail and it should just pop up, and you can hold down on this and you can bring this to your home screen here too. So you can just drag it over here. So I already have it on my home screen right here. So just click on Gmail, and you might already be logged in if you're already logged in with your email account on your phone. So if you look at the bottom right, there's an option that says compose. Just click on compose. Now type in the person's name right here and then the subject in the email message right here, and then you can add attachments like photos, camera, files, drive. So if you want to add like a file or something, just click on that, or a photo. Very easy to do. And then you can just click this little button right here to send. Then we have additional options right here, like add from contacts, other modes, and settings. I'm not sure what settings is going to be doing for us here, but we can look at the different settings on here, general settings. So we can go into here. If there's anything you want to do, confirm before deleting, or something like that. Okay, looks good. But we can go to back, and then we can just send it right here. And then we have our different options in here. A lot of times you'll see, like, if you get Amazon packages that are arriving to your house, they'll just show up on the top right there. And then I think you can forward messages and stuff. So if you click on the message, looks like you can report it as spam. You can move to a different folder or something like that. So I might have to click on this actually and go into it before I can forward it. So let's look at this. We can print it. Okay. Here's the option to forward or reply to an email. So just look at that, and then here's the trash can if we want to delete the email too. It's on the top. So just look at that. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.